Hopefully it'll go right over the top of this camera here. Okay, there's a bit of grass there. Move that. So hopefully it'll come right over the camera. I'm at LAX again. The plane spotting's fantastic. And gosh, I hope it works. Here it comes. Qantas A380 all the way from Sydney. I've got my big camera with me. That was fantastic. Exhilarating. We're out here again because this is just too good. It's a certain time of day. You got to check the apps, Flight Radar, all the apps, because the big heavies come in at certain times of the day. Some in the mornings from Asia and Australia, the Pacific. But that Qantas A380 is pretty good. There's a Lufthansa 747 coming up. Another good day here at LAX. That was fantastic. 747-8, the Lufthansa Queen, beautiful. If you can, book a ticket, use your points, whatever, grandmother's money, whatever, get yourself a seat on that from LA to Germany. Business class, up the top deck. That's an experience. Walking up the stairs on the 747. They won't be around for much longer. That's one of the final ones flying, the Lufthansa, and I didn't realize Korean Air. Fantastic. That's what dreams are made of. Shout out to Joe Sutter and the Incredibles. That was the Korean Air passenger 747-8. I didn't know they still flew the Queens. I thought Lufthansa was the only one left, but here we go, it's beautiful. I haven't filmed them. I haven't filmed the whales landing with my big camera before. And even though I'm filming at slow motion, so it's fine, but following it is a little bit difficult. Almost fell over. Come on, check the bio. Let's go.